I wonder what this could be now. Oh, weather, another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north central Texas, Hill County in central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, southwestern Navarro County in north central Texas until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Keene to near Bloom, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Strawberries going up.
Wind damage to roads, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burleson, Waxahachie, Cleburne, Ennis, located Hillsborough, Keene, Joshua, Alvarado, Venus, Italy, Itasca, Grandview, Hubbard, Godley, Napier, Blooming Grove, Dawson, Bardwell, and Bloom. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 361 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 30. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 399. Interstate 45 near mile marker 251. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.